Good morning, everyone. Now we are going to discuss on structure and character set from Unit 1 of COBOL and Business Data Processing Language. So this particular language seems to be an easiest language as comparing to all the other language that whatever that we have. This particular COBOL language we used to call it as an procedure oriented programming language. The abbreviation for COBOL is Common Business Oriented Language. This particular language, which is being used for most of the business process, that whatever that they have executed in that particular 1960s. COBOL, which seems to be one of the best language in business data processing to compile and to execute all the business related applications that we have in ancient periods. So now we are going to discuss on some two topics in COBOL. The first topic is structure of COBOL program, and the second topic is character set of COBOL program. Both these topics are easiest one to learn and to understand, but we must know what is the purpose of learning these two topics. In the structure of COBOL program, we have some 4 divisions, and each and every divisions used to work with its own purpose. And the character set is nothing but a collection of different characters. It may be a special character, or numeric character, or alphabetic characters. All these characters together grouped to create a character set, and that will be used for programming purposes. So these things we used to call it as a character set. Now we are going to discuss on each and every topic in detail. The first one is about structure of COBOL. So every COBOL program, which consists of some 4 different divisions, and it have its own order. Some of them are described here. The first one, which is identification division, a second one, which is environment division, the third one, which is data division, the fourth one, which is procedure division. So these are the 4 important divisions that we have in our COBOL program. Once again, I am repeating. The first one, which is identification division, second one, which is environment division, third one, which is data division, and fourth one, which is procedure division. So these are the 4 divisions that we have. So under the identification divisions, we have to include the details about the author name, the date of writing the program. So all those things will be included under the identification division. So in the environment division, the details like the computer environment under which the program was written and the date of compilation will be included. So in the data division, whatever the variables that you are going to include it in your program, all those variables will be names will be mentioned with appropriate formats in the data division. So the data division, it seems to be one of the important division which have some various identifiers whatever that you are going to use within your program. The last division is the procedure division, which consists of programming statements, or else we used to call it as an executable statements will be written, and it is the most important division. So under these divisions you have in various sections for some specific purposes. The first section, which is going to be working storage section, and the second section, which seems to be a file section. So under working storage section, the memory spaces for variables will be notified that to be used within the program. Under the file section, whatever the files that you are going to use within your program will get included. So this particular division seems to be an very important one. Next, the COBOL program can be written in one or more coding lines. So you can have any number of statements. So each and every statement could be included in a single line or one or more line. Suppose if you have to code in one or more line, and suppose if you have to show the continuation of those lines, you have to use the hyphen symbol in column 7. So those things are which is about structure of COBOL program. The next one, which is about character set, as I already told, various different set of characters are included to code the program. So to learn or to edit or to create programs in COBOL or in any language, everyone must know what are the various alphabets or what are the various characters that they have to include in that particular programming language. So here in COBOL we are going to use some 50 different characters. So I have listed some of the character sets here. The first one is numerals starting from 0 and ending with 9. All those 10 numerals could be used. And next one, which is about English alphabets, all the 26 alphabets starting from A to capital Z could be used. And minus sign could be used in two ways, as a negative indicator and also as hyphen. And plus sign could be used, an asterisk sign, slash sign, equal sign, dollar sign for currency, and comma, semicolon, dot, period or decimal point, quotation marks, left parenthesis, right parenthesis, greater than symbol, less than symbol. So all these characters together are called as character set, where the characters 0 to 9 are called as numeric characters or digits. The characters A to Z, capital A to capital Z, are called letters, and the remaining characters are called special characters. The space or blank character in certain cases is treated as letters. So these are the various characters that we could include in our COBOL program. So students, in short, you have to keep some few points as important points. So under structure of COBOL program, you must be very clear with what are the 4 divisions that we are using and what are the uses of each and every divisions in COBOL program. And related to character set, What are the various characters that we have? Basically, that could be grouped in three different forms as numeric, alphabets, and special characters. So these are some various important things that we have related to structure and character set of COBOL program. So with this, I am stopping this session. Thank you. Thank you for listening.